viewers, welcome to my channel. Before I start this video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for more updates. So let's start reading the book called The Day Mars Disappeared. Every day and every night, the sun watched the order in the solar system. 8 planets circled the sun. They were small, big, hot, and cold. The sun loved every planet, and it cared for them, warmed them with its warm rays. One day, the sun started to count the planets. Mercury, Venus, Earth, blank, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Something was wrong. The sun began to worry. Where was Mars? Where had he gone? All the planets began helping the sun. Again and again, they called out to Mars. Suddenly, Neptune shouted, He's here! I found him! Mars was hiding among the many meteorites. He was very sad. Planets asked all at once, What happened? Why are you here? Mars quietly got out of his hiding place and started talking about his problem. It seems to me that I am the most ordinary. You are also amazing, and I... What are you talking about? The frustrated sun asked. Why do you think so? The astonished planets asked. Mars said, Sun, you are a huge star. Your rays light everything around. Mercury, you are so interesting. You have one side that is hot and the other is cold. Venus, you are a bright planet. Who else can boast of her own shadow? Earth, you are beautiful. You are a beautiful planet. Your seas, oceans, forests, and mountains amaze me. Jupiter, you are a real giant. There's no one bigger than you. Saturn, you have rings that consist of millions of small stones. Uranus, you always lie on your side. I wish I could rest like that. ZZZ. Neptune, you are the coldest planet. Even your gas turns into ice. And now, look at me. There is nothing interesting in me. I am not worthy to be part of the solar system. The sun and the other planets looked at each other and smiled. Your red color fascinates us every day, said Mercury, Neptune, and Jupiter. And how beautiful your canyon is. This is a real miracle, exclaimed Venus, Saturn, and Uranus to show support. I have many mountains, but compared to Mount Everest, cannot be compared to your mountains, said the Earth. You see, said the Sun, we are all different. You do not need to be like the rest. And we cannot imagine our solar system without you. Mars sighed with relief. Thank you, my friends. What would I do without you? Since then, this space family has lived happily because they appreciated each other. The end. So, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you on my next one. Bye! Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please subscribe to my channel, give a like, and hit the notification bell for more updates. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!